Hadith of Yawning. Yawning is from the devil, so whenever one of you yawns, then let him try to suppress it as much as possible. Bukhari and Muslim. Explanation. Yawning is associated with laziness and laxity. People with such characteristics tend to avoid doing good deeds and fulfilling their obligations, which is exactly what the devil incites us to do. This is why the Prophet taught us to suppress our yawn as much as possible and to not let the devil have his way. A believer should be active and full of energy to do good deeds and fulfill his high obligations.